Okay.
This guy seems to not.
You do you, man.
Yeah.
What is he doing now? Okay.
I don't know.
I don't know, but he's going in my video now.
So you don't have to worry.
She needs to be knocked down a peg. Is he saying that? Yeah, what is he saying is my question. What does that mean? Is he saying that, was he trying to say she has too many plants and he wants her to have less, or is he actually being a freak? You think you're better than me because you have plants. You need to be knocked down a plant.
Jesus, guys! What the fuck are you doing? Holy shit, man. That's the wrong way. Okay. What the fuck was that?
In a quarter mile, take exit 16A for I-90 West.
Woo, there he goes. Nope, never mind. Ah, God. Huh? Fucking red. You gonna run it?
Yep.
Yes, sir. Fucking horn. Get pissy about it. It's red light now. Nope. Okay. Why did you do that? What? Okay. Okay.
We had a big windstorm, and looking outside at our roof, you know, roofs are nice and flat and shingled. Ours now has a nice wave pattern on one side.
Oh, that's an aesthetic thing, I'm sure. No, I think that's fine,
dude.
Yeah, yeah. In Korea, they have the tiles layered.
Whoever did.
Red.
straight and Nona. Wild out, crocodile, Matilda, and Ramona. I'll never give them the back of my hand. Give them the giver, the river, hatchet, and ragged.
Pull over or don't? Jesus.
And even as a rat fiend,
What are you doing?
mama, you always kept my hats clean.
Oh my god. Go ahead, everybody. Short for gasoline. Don't think that it is coming in a gaseous form. Okay.
With red trimmed rims.
Yep. Okay. Buddy, that's the wrong side of the road.
But okay, I guess.
Guys, figure your shit out. Oh my god. Oh, that was terrible. What the fuck, dude? It's so good. Hello. Yeah, there's the city hall.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh Jesus. Is this a one-way street?
Yes.
Yeah, apparently. Well, that makes sense because there's so much gambling in it. Oh, yes. So, the Joker, they really got him that one? Not okay, man. It's also...
Oh, he real ran that, dude. Holy shit.
Yeah.
According to the mythology, ghouls are demons who eat the dead, and because of that, they're usually found in graveyards. But Romero's ghouls were not the first undead creatures to hunger for the flesh and blood of the living. Some think that honor falls to the Odyssey, the epic Greek poem written by Homer nearly 3,000
fucking horn.
I'm very curious about the other people's comments on here.
Same time for the other person to return, your text message would just come.
Straight to the point.
Seems like the easiest. Return, you can come back now, just come.
Okay.
So what how this is gonna work? We're gonna go Bob first because he won the coin toss, and then I didn't
Lock the Jeep.
Hello. Rude.
Anyway, I'm just kind of sitting bemused in the back seat as we near my destination. Then I tell him, in Romanian, with all my might trying to pull off the distinct accent of the region I'd been living in, can you just pull over there on the right? I swear this guy's head did the Exorcist girl's head, and he turned a shade of red. I have seen nowhere else.
Sorry, dude, I can't fucking see anything.
Ha ha ha!